Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm back with another Pat McGrath haul. As mentioned in my last video, I did pick up more of her lipsticks because they're currently on sale for just $12. Some of these shades are still available. The shades do change every now and then, so you may have to check. So if that's something you're interested in, please keep watching, and I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. I do make videos on beauty, perfumes and handbags. It would mean a lot to me if you subscribe, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and do press the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. So let's start. I will start with the Blitz Trance collection. This is Rebel Red. I love the packaging of Pat McGrath. It is so pretty. It feels quite luxurious as well. So stunning. Oh, look at that. It is so gorgeous. It's beautiful. Wow, stunning. So that one is Rebel Red. Let's go through all the Blitz Trance first. This is Flesh 3. It's gorgeous. Ooh, beautiful. So Blitz Trance are all quite shimmery. They have a lot of glitter and they're quite nice. This is Blood Rush. Wow. They are very pigmented, go on really smooth. If you are familiar with Pat McGrath. This one is Skin Flicks. It's beautiful. Wow, it's so pretty. And this is Lady Stardust. Quite similar, more brown, more pink. It's beautiful. I think it looks like, I think this one looks a little bit like NARS Orgasm, doesn't it? I don't have that, but I think they might be similar. Moving on to Matte Trance, I did pick up 2 Matte Trance shades, and I love the packaging of these lipsticks, guys. You have this little information card here that tells you a bit about the lipstick, the ingredients and everything. So this one is Candy Flip. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I love how velvety it looks. Beautiful. I was actually very afraid of this shade. I thought it would be a bit too like a shocking pink in the photograph, but it's a beautiful red, like a pinkish coralish red. And the last one of Matte Trance I have is called Full Panic. Oh. You see, it looks velvety. There is a little white kind of a tinge to it, like you have on real velvet, and it's really quite nice. Beautiful. So pigmented. What a stunning color. I am quite happy with these guys. So now I'm going to go try them on the lips. So I'm back after trying these, and here is what I think. So these 2 shades over here, Lady Stardust and Skin Flicks, are pretty much similar on my lips, although in the swatches they do look quite different, but on my lips I really couldn't tell much difference. So you don't need both of them. I could have done with just one, and they're both really beautiful. They have a beautiful shimmer, perfect everyday kind of lipsticks. The shimmer isn't too much that I would feel awkward in wearing them. They're just fine. Very, very beautiful. Now this, which is Flesh 3. Now this one is very, very metallic on the lips. And also I can feel the shimmer particles. I mean, they don't feel that bad, but it's not as smooth as the other two. So you can feel a little bit of those particles on the lips. And this one is very, very glittery. So not an everyday shade, not for me at least. And it's more like you're doing your makeup shoot kind of a makeup. And Pat McGrath is anyway quite well known for that. So not an everyday shade for me. And mostly I think I would wear it around the holidays only. But I think it'll layer beautifully with another shade. So if you're into taking pictures for Instagram and all, I think this is going to work for you. I mean, it's a gorgeous shade. My face lit up when I wore this. I loved it. I loved how it adds that dimension to the lips. It's beautiful though. And now this shade I was quite surprised about. This is Blood Rush. This one also has a bit of shimmer, and I was afraid that I may not like it because I don't like shimmery reds. I usually prefer a matte red, but guys, this looked really, really beautiful. It was so stunning. It looked festive. This is something I could even think of wearing in the evenings for some special occasion. It is a very wearable shimmery red. Now this is this shade, which is like a pinkish red, and in the tube it looks really dark, but on the lips it's more like a pinkish reddish shimmer. This one's called Rebel Red, and it's very beautiful too. I could wear this every day, but again, like that one, this one also you can feel the shimmer on your lips. So not really the best feel on the lips, but it's not too bad. You can feel if you rub them together. Other than that, it's still quite weightless, very pigmented, easy wearing. You don't really feel anything, doesn't dry out, but it's just, you can feel that those glitter particles when you rub your lips together. Now this one was very beautiful, guys. It's a lovely matte, and I think there is something with her packaging. You see, as I turn it, it is leaving some marks, so it's rubbing off somewhere, but that's fine. But this is this shade over here, and it's gorgeous. It's a beautiful spring summer shade. It's an everyday shade, and I just can't wait to start wearing it. It's beautiful. And this one, see how it changed, you know, where I applied, it's become that the true color has come out. Otherwise it seemed quite subtle. So this one is a really bright strawberry red, very, very bold, very pigmented, very strong, and I would have to be quite dressed up, I think, if I have to wear this one, but it's still quite a stunning one. I mean, just see how pigmented that one is. Beautiful. I also got the Fetish lip balm set. I have already 3 lip balms, but I wanted more because you can never have enough lip balms. So this one is Blow Up. It's beautiful. This is Clear Lip Balm. This is Flesh 3. Ooh, gorgeous. Oh, this one is sweating already. That's not good. It probably was not stored properly. Ooh, gorgeous. Beautiful. 3 for $13. I think it's amazing. So those were my thoughts after wearing these, guys. Let me know what you think of these shades and if you're planning to get them. I still feel that $12 is an amazing deal to have any of these shades because they are so good. You can gift them, you can have them for yourself. And I hope this was helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.